In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Kit for newsletter. We'll walk through creating a complete email broadcast in Kit from start to finish, so by the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank dashboard to a newsletter that's ready to land in your subscribers' inboxes. First, go ahead and log into your Kit dashboard. This is your main control center, where you can see your list, past sends, and all the tools you need to manage your newsletter. Once you're on the dashboard, look at the top navigation bar. You'll see an option labeled Send. Click on that, and from the drop-down, choose Broadcasts. Broadcasts are what Kit calls one-off emails you send to your audience, like newsletters, announcements, or promotions. On the Broadcasts page, you'll notice a red button on the right that says New Broadcast. Click that to start creating a new email. This opens up the setup flow for your newsletter. Next, you'll be prompted to choose how your email looks. Click Browse Templates to open the template gallery. Here, you can pick a layout that matches your style and the type of content you're sending. For example, you might choose a simple text layout for a personal update or a more visual template if you plan to showcase products or images. Don't worry, you can customize everything later, so just choose the closest starting point. Once your template loads, move to the subject line at the top of the screen. Enter your subject line carefully here. This is what your subscribers see first in their inbox, so make it clear and compelling. You can always come back and tweak it if you think of a better version. Now, you're ready to build out the body of your newsletter. Type your content directly into the editor on the page. As you write, you'll see a small plus icon appear when you move to a new line. Click that plus icon anytime you want to add extra elements like images, buttons, or other blocks. This is a great way to include a call to action button, a featured image, or links to your latest content without needing any design skills. When you're happy with the content and layout, look to the bottom right corner and click Continue. This takes you to the sending options. Here, you'll review your recipients. By default, Kit will usually select all subscribers, which sends your newsletter to everyone on your list. If you have segments set up, you can adjust this to target a specific group, but if you're just getting started, sending to all subscribers is perfectly fine. Finally, choose whether you want to send your email right away or schedule it for later. Click Send Email if you're ready to go now, or Schedule if you want it to go out at a future date and time that fits your audience best. Once you've made that choice, click Send Broadcast to confirm. Your newsletter is now officially on its way using Kit.